From kitchen gadgets that save time to tools that make life easier, here are Amazon finds to upgrade your everyday routine fast. Meet the ultimate kitchen game changer, the stainless steel vegetable chopper with 10 interchangeable blades that slices, dices, chops, grates, and spirals everything from onions and tomatoes to potatoes and cheese in seconds, helping you make fresh salads, meal prep faster, cut down cooking time, and keep your kitchen mess-free with its built-in container. While the durable stainless steel design delivers precise cuts every time, making healthy cooking easier, quicker, and more satisfying for busy families, home chefs, and anyone tired of endless chopping by hand. Transform your kitchen prep in seconds with the powerful and easy-to-use Geedle Rotary Cheese Grater, featuring 5 interchangeable stainless steel blades for effortless cheese shredding, vegetable slicing, nut grinding, chocolate grating, and even ice shaving. While the upgraded strong suction base keeps everything stable and secure during use, making meal prep faster, safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable for busy families, home cooks, and anyone who wants restaurant-style results without the hassle of bulky appliances or exhausting hand grating. Peel faster and easier with the 2026 Upgrade Multifunctional Stainless Steel Vegetable Peeler Set. Designed with ultra-sharp blades that glide through potatoes, carrots, pumpkins, fruits, and veggies in seconds, giving you smooth, effortless peeling, less waste, a comfortable grip, and durable, rust-resistant performance that makes everyday cooking quicker, cleaner, and stress-free for every kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Kitchen Scissors Set 2 pieces. The heavy-duty, all-purpose shears designed to cut through chicken, seafood, meat, vegetables, herbs, and food packaging with razor-sharp precision and effortless control. Featuring durable Japanese-style stainless steel blades, a comfortable non-slip grip, and powerful performance that makes cooking faster, cleaner, and easier, whether you're prepping dinner, grilling outdoors, or looking for the perfect practical gift for home cooks, food lovers, men and women who want professional quality kitchen tools that actually get the job done. Make breakfast more fun and mess-free with the cute red silicone egg cracker, the easy-to-use eggshell opener that cracks eggs smoothly in seconds with less shell mess, effortless handling, and a playful egg-shaped design that adds a little happiness and convenience to every kitchen moment. Keep your food fresher for longer with the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer, the powerful handheld food sealing system that removes air in seconds to help lock in flavor, reduce freezer burn, save money on groceries, and simplify meal prep. While the portable, lightweight design and 30 reusable vacuum bags make it perfect for storing meats, fruits, vegetables, snacks, and leftovers at home or on the go, giving busy families and home chefs an easy, mess-free way to organize food and waste less every single day. Enjoy fresh movie theater-style popcorn at home in minutes with the Ecolution patented Micropop microwave popcorn popper. Featuring temperature-safe, BPA-free glass, a smart 3-in-1 lid that measures kernels and melts butter at the same time, giving you healthier homemade popcorn with less oil, easy cleanup, and delicious flavor every snack night. And the best part is, it goes straight into the microwave for quick, effortless popping anytime. Shop these Amazon kitchen essentials now and upgrade your cooking today. Check the links in the description to get yours.